हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूं नीलेश और मेरा इनसाइड पावर यूट्यूब चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। तो चलिए आज इस वीडियो में हम डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे रिगार्डिंग एमटेक, एमएस एंड पीएचडी एडमिशन इन आईआईटी हैदराबाद इन आईआईटी तिरुपति। अगर आपने इस चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है सो प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन सो दैट यू विल गेट ऑल नोटिफिकेशंस रिगार्डिंग एमई, एमटेक, एमएस, पीएचडी एडमिशन एंड पीएसयू जॉब रिक्रूटमेंट्स। सो अभी इस वेबसाइट पे अभी हम हैं। इफ़ यू टाइप हियर आईआईटी हैदराबाद तो आपको ये इंटरफेस ओपन होगा। आप यहाँ पे क्लिक करते हो आईआईटी हैदराबाद होम पे। सो एकेडमिक्स, आफ्टर दैट एडमिशंस, if you click here admissions, so you will have here post graduate programs. So यहाँ पे उन्होंने दिया है मास्टर्स ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, मास्टर्स ऑफ साइंस, मास्टर्स ऑफ डिज़ाइन, मास्टर्स इन डेवलपमेंट स्टडीज एंड फॉरेन नेशनल्स एडमिशंस। सो यहाँ पे डिटेल में दिया है 2 years का मास्टर्स ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, 3 years and executive programs. So if you click here, there are a lot of departments have given here for the admission. Here Ministry of Education sponsored and non-sponsored candidates are here MTech, then self-sponsored and industry-sponsored candidates for MTech, and the in charge of faculty is given. So okay, so this is the specialized program here. Now here if suppose I will choose electrical, how to go for the filling of application form. So I will just click on one and you can follow refer the same others. Okay, so if you click here for the admission voucher for the electrical engineering, you will have this interface. Okay, this PDF will be available to you. After that, what you have to do, first of all, you go here specializations, MTech programs, everything is detail is given. So this is the link where you will have all the details. Okay, thereafter you can go here eligibility criteria and the selection, and here applications will be accepted through the IIT Hyderabad admission portal. So just click here. Okay, if you click here you will have this much of interface. So department का जो भी admission का वेबसाइट होता है दैट विल बी ओपन. ओके, सो हियर डिटेल में उन्होंने प्रोग्राम्स के बारे में बताया है. एमटेक टीए क्या है, एमटेक आरए प्रोग्राम्स का क्या है, या फिर सेल्फ स्पॉन्सर्ड एमटेक प्रोग्राम का भी क्या है. So related to this, like they have given important informations, brochures also, and even placements also. So here if you go for this MTech admission page, you will have the admission interface for this IIT Hyderabad. So COAP portal link has given all the details related to common offer acceptance portal, that is COAP. I have given in the previous video. That video link I will also give in the description box. So after that you just click here for the admissions filling application form. So you will have this interface, then you have register here, and then in this way you can go for the MTech admission process. So now let's see on the PhD program. So here in IIT Hyderabad, if you click here doctoral program, so you will have here PhD admission details. So if you click here for the admission detail, you will get all the info here. In the case of gate score is not available, the candidate may upload the result. However, they have to submit the gate score at the time of interview or the written test. Abhi recently gate score card is available for downloading from the Gate 21 website. So if you click here to fill the application form, there is instruction for the filling of application form. If you click here for the registration. So for the registration you can click here and apply for the same. So this is the way for the filling of application form for the PhD admission in IIT Hyderabad. Now let's see for the IIT Tirupati MTech admissions and the PhD admissions. If you click here for the admission for the MTech in the IIT Tirupati, you will get this disciplines. Okay, this disciplines related to civil environmental engineering, computer science engineering, electrical and mechanical, and the branches are specified below. If you click here to apply for the admission, you will get all the information and the username, password here. By creating new account you can fill the application form. If you go here for the MTech 21 admission, you have detailed information brochure for the academic year 21-22. So here everything is given, application fee. Okay, thereafter institute details, what are the branches available for the MTech, what financial assistance will give for the MTech students, that is for that is 12,400. Okay, so everything is given. So civil engineering, what gate paper is eligible, and for MTech what branch is eligible. Okay, so everything is given on this website and the document. So here online date for the application is 22 March 21 and closing date will be 23 April. So cap round will be followed in 12 May to 15 June. Okay, and finally joining of the date of the selected candidate is 2 August. So in this way you can go for the MTech admission. Okay, if you click for the PhD, you will go here this PDF form and MS research or PhD admissions for the July 21. Okay, so if you here there is a डेट फॉर द ओपनिंग ऑफ ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन 29 मार्च 21. सो आप देख सकते हो ये एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म आज ही से चालू हुआ है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट चैनल विच विल गिव यू the latest updates on the admissions and the notifications related to MTech, PhD and MS. So you can see here 29 March 21 and closing date will be the 30 April for this application. So written test and interview will be held during 23 May to 23 June and finally announcement of result will be the next day of interview. Okay, so everything is given. I will give you the link in the description box so that you can check and fill the form. If you have any query regarding filling of application form, writing SOP, everything I will give you in the description link. You can go there. You can subscribe my channel so that you are able to access my all videos related to writing SOPs, interview guidance on the PhD. Okay, so in this way you can fill the form for the IIT Tirupati. So ये था IIT हैदराबाद एंड IIT तिरुपति रिगार्डिंग MTech PhD एडमिशन. सो अभी तक आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, सो प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन सो दैट यू कैन गेट ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग दिस MS, PhD, MTech admissions in various IITs, NITs, central and state university and even in the foreign university. So PSU job recruitment notification is also updated here. So please do subscribe and thank you for watching my video.